Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to find and replace text in Google Docs. So for example, I would like to find and replace skiing word with another word. If I want to do it, I need to go to Edit tab and I need to click on this one option, Find and Replace. Now on Find field, we need to type the word which we want to find. So I type here skiing. On Replace with, we need to type a new word. So for example, I type here simple text. You have here different options. If you want, you can select them. Everything depends on your preferences, but I will not select it now. I only check this box. And if you want to replace all skiing words with simple text, you need to click on Replace All button. If you want to find specific words, you need to click Next button, and then you will find here skiing words somewhere in the text. And for example, if you would like to replace this word, you need to click Replace button. How you see it has been successfully replaced here, and how you see it really works. And if you want to replace all skiing words, you need to click on Replace All button, and then all skiing words will be successfully replaced with simple text. So how you see it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.